Yeah, so as we discussed in this SQL Basics Part 1, right? This is the website I told you, right? SQLJU.net. So let us take me that URL, copy, open your Chrome browser, and just paste this one. It is SQLJU.net, okay? So just click here, first one, okay? Select basics. This one will come. So what we do is, okay, just before we have discussed, right, there are different types of data we are storing, right? As I mentioned, if it is companies and all, they will store in like MySQL or Oracle or big databases, right? So the main difference is like this table it will store. For example, here this is called as a table, okay? So one thing I want to tell, suppose if it is a table, right? Why this is called as table means this looks like a box, right? Table. So this is called as a table in SQL terminology, and this is called as a field or column. Here name is there, country name is given like Afghanistan, Albania, like that country's names given. That is one column or field. And the second column or field name is continent, like this comes under Asia continent, this country comes under Europe continent, like that. Then area of each country given. The area of country. This value is for the country, not for continent. Because this table is there in country level, this is given, not like continent level. Because this continent will have many countries, but we are talking specific to this country. So this area value, this one belongs to only this country. The area is this. Then for second country, the area is like this. And next column or field is the population. So for Afghanistan, population value is given like this, 255. The next country value is given like that. Then GDP of each country is given. For Afghanistan, GDP is this much. Second country, GDP is this much. So friends, so far what they have given here, table name given word, and country name of some country names they have given, and which continent that country belongs to they have given, and area of that each country they have given in the table, and the population of each of this country they have given, GDP of this country is given. Okay? So now what I do is this one to remember every time. I have something called snippet. This already I have taken actually. So what I do, just I will cut this one. Okay. Select this and keep here. Okay. Just for reference, you can reference here. Okay. Now let us try first query. So what they are telling is some query they have given. First let me run. Okay. When I run this, something is coming. Okay. So they have already given this query. Before that, let me remove this part to make you understand. Suppose select population from world. Let me run this query. See, select population from world, which means, okay, so which means already I took the photo of this, right? Select, okay, let us use that one. So, this is doing, so what do you want? You want population of Germany. Before that, population means what is the column name population. So you have to write select population from, what is the table name world, right? World. So let me write down this one. Select population from world. Then click submit. So what result came? Only population came. From which table? World table. Which means from this table, I don't want all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there. I don't want. I am interested only population of each country. The population of first country is what? 255, this one, right? 255. And second one is 283, like that. Means you are interested only one particular column, not all the 5 columns. That is the reason we are giving only particular column population. For example, you want everything. Then instead of population, simply you can say select star from, and you can click submit. What will happen? See, now all the columns are coming. When you say star, you no need to see. 4 are there, you will easily type it. But what happens if there are 150 columns? In banking, usually we have 100 and above only, 150, 200 also columns is there in one table. So it is not possible to write every column name, right? So what we do, simply select star. Star means all. See here 5 columns are there, all 5 columns came in the same order. So first country, then its continent, area, blah blah, all coming, right? Yes. But in this query we want to try for population of Germany. So population only we are interested. What you do, just go and for save the site, not to miss any spelling mistake, just copy and paste, but some space should be there. Click submit. Now only population coming from world table. See, only population is coming. But for which country we are interested? For only Germany they want. So like this, only Germany you want to filter. There is something called where. Okay, that is like condition. Where for country name, what is the column name they have given? Name. Copy that one. Okay, copy that one. Where name is equal to, put in single quote. What country you want? Germany they are asking. So Germany, put in single quote and just run. See now, correct answer it is telling. For Germany, it got 807, this one, right? So if you observe in the list, it is not showing because only see at the end they give dot because the alphabetical G comes later, right? So that is the one we are not able to see there. So now this answer is correct. So what you can do is you can remove everything and freshly try the command like this: select population from world where name is equal to Germany. Okay, this is the first one, you can try that yourself. Let us move on next now. Now they have given another command actually. Let us just quickly run fast. So now what you see in the result? Some name, population both coming, right, for this country. Now, what they are using is some in operator they are using. So they are, what they are giving, they are see, name comma population. Select name comma population. So name population came. So which table? World table. Where, what is the condition they are telling? Name in. Suppose see, name can be Brazil or Russia or India or China, which means country name can be any of these 4 countries, sir. So now all countries came, Brazil, Russia, all 4 countries. So country name I want all 4 countries, but for that only I am interested name and population. So name and population 2 columns only I am interested. That is the reason they mentioned only these 2. Okay? This query already they have given. Now what they are asking, show the name and population for these countries like Sweden. Copy that Sweden. Replace the first country name with this. Second Norway they want. Copy and paste the second country name with this. Third they want Denmark. Copy and paste this one. And remove the last country. Now click submit. See, correct answer came. Which means already they gave for some countries to make your life easy. Just these countries they are asking. Therefore, in our query we put this thing. But what is the learning here? So in operator we are learning. Okay. See, otherwise before what we did, where name is equal to Germany. Where name is equal to Germany. So we can write different way here. Name is equal to Germany, right? So basically, how we can write in another way, right? So what we can write another way is where name is equal to Sweden. For example, name is equal to Sweden. We will run name is equal to Sweden. What happens? So only Sweden came. Now, and name is equal to Norway. Now you can run. Okay. So something is not coming. Okay. So because their name is equal to, actually this should work actually where name is equal to Sweden and the name is equal to Norway. Okay. Some reason it is not working. So what they did is there is something called in operator. What you can do is where in country name is equal to Sweden. So what you do is, and also don't confuse here whenever you say hyphen, this is like a comment actually. This is like a comment. This is not considered for execution. If it is creating problem, I will remove. Okay. Their name is equal to Sweden. First we will try. Yeah, Sweden is coming. Put in single code. Code is like a for a string actually because country name is not a number. It is some string, right? String means some word, right? There we have to give single code. So now it is working. Sweden came. Okay, come on. We want Denmark also. Copy. Put in single quote Denmark. Okay. Now you give this one like this will come. Which means, so in the first query we are giving name is equal to Germany. Usually name is equal to Germany and in the second query we have to write and name is equal to Norway and the name is like that. So instead of that they given very useful simple operator in actually. So with this you can able to add all your values how you want. Okay. So in operator we have learned from this query. Now let us move on. Now the next thing what we do is, here they are telling which countries are not small and not big. Like between is the one which keyword they are introducing here for the range. So it will include both boundary values, whatever left side value, small beginning value, and both it will include actually. That's what they are saying. So here below example is showing countries, area of this one, okay, 250,000 and to 300,000. So they are telling modify to show that country and area, where area is between this one and this one. First let us run this, whatever they given. Here also, two different columns they give under where they are giving between. So just before in operator we are used because in is for different list, right? Now, this is numeric value. That's why they are using between. Okay, it is not like a list before, between. So between 250K to 300K means this one K. But the question is they want 200K. Instead of 250, change to 200. Then up to 250 means instead of 300, they want 250. So submit like this. So this means because area is a numeric value, so we can use between operator and we can give like this. This will include both starting and ending it. Okay, so let me summarize this. Okay, in this session what we learned. So we have the table here with the different columns they gave. Okay, so whereas name is like a string type column, whereas area is like number type, where population also number type they have given. So first query what we learned is select one column only from this where value name is equal to Germany. Means for Germany name all the population we got. Okay, so in the second place they want for these three countries they want to know what is the name and the population. So simply select name and this one. The key is in operator we can use if it is more than one name you want. That we have learned it. So in this query because this area is a numeric value, number value like this, instead of in we are using between operator. So between 200K to 250K, to give this query will give this result. So we will meet in the next session. Okay, if you are watching this first time, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.